All right, well, I got a broken part of a telescope. I bought a tripod today, and they snapped that off. So we're just gonna take this punch here and sit this on here. I've already sprayed it with some stuff. I need to try and drill out this screw. So let's see if we're gonna be successful or not at this. Well, there's a little set screw in that. That's pretty cool. It's actually already spinning, so that's cool. So, if I have a left-handed thread, I might be able to get this out. But let's see if we can just. Okay. Apparently not. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a smaller drill bit, but it already started to spin into the inside. All right, smaller drill bit. So this has actually locked itself onto the deal here. I'm going at an angle because I'm trying to get it centered. Good. We don't want to be too far on the outside because yeah, we need to be more in the middle. Whatever this is, it's really soft. Real. It's like it's aluminum or something. It is super soft crap. Well, once I have this on here good enough, I can definitely get it easy out into there and just walk this thing right out. So I've actually pushed it all the way in there. So I thought maybe it might come out, but I'll probably have to back it out. So there's a little trick I learned a long time ago. So you got to kind of, the taper to the nail. You stick it in there and just force it. And a lot of times when you drill something, it heats it up. So now I got quite a bit sticking out of there, and it doesn't want to go any further, but I managed to get it that far with this. And so now I probably can get a easy out nut thing on it. Or if you have really good pliers like these, snap-on pliers, you probably can just put it on here. Yeah, there we go. So we're good. We just need to get a replacement bolt for this and get this back on the telescope mount. And this pretty much applies to anything you're going to deal with, And once you start drilling in, then these things heat up and they usually break loose. So that's why a left-handed drill bit is actually really good. I don't know where mine are at, but the drill bit is backwards. So what happens is, as you're drilling, it actually walks the bit out because it grabs onto the piece and it just walks it out. So anyway, thanks for watching.